Welcome to Mina Plastic Surgery, the premier plastic surgery clinic in all Korea. Mina Plastic Surgery is led by the expertise of world-renowned surgeon Dr. Jung Ho Cha, who was recently featured in the Forbes magazine and United States news outlet NBC. He was also recently recognized as Health Professional of the Year by the International Biographical Center, which is based in Cambridge, England. He is meeting today with Yulia, who is from Russia but lived in South Korea as a student studying Korean. She got the recommendation from Seoul Medical, who helps international patients with a variety of medical procedures such as skin, dental, vision, and plastic surgery. Tony Medina accompanied her to the consultation, as Seoul Medical always does. This is the consultation. Dr. Cha listens carefully as she describes her dissatisfaction with the off-center position and proportion of her nose. Because of the nose's central location, it serves a vital importance in giving overall balance and harmony to other facial features. A misaligned nose can easily throw off the other facial features. Here Dr. Cha is explaining the internal structures of the nose and his plans to address her concerns. He shows the bones and helps Yulia to visualize the technical elements of the procedure. He uses mathematical calculations such as the golden ratio, which can be found in nature and art to give the perfect facial features. In addition to the requested rhinoplasty, she also expresses her concern with the droopy skin on her face, which can be caused by genetics and is difficult to address with dieting and exercise alone. He has made the additional suggestion of thread lifting, which uses barbed sutures to lift the skin into a more elevated, desirable position, which returns vibrancy to the skin as it tightens the face, as it also helps the promotion of collagen growth. In addition to this, he will also administer the ultrasound therapy, which administers pulses of high-frequency sound which target underlying layers of skin and muscle. This innovative treatment works well with the thread lifting procedure. Finally, Yulia is making the request of augmentation to the chin. People who are lacking significant volume here can request implants. However, because Yulia lacks minimal volume, the doctor is making the recommendation of injectable filler, which comes in a variety of composition and can last for several months to several years. The addition of volume will add perfect balance and proportion to her face. A good way to determine if you are an ideal candidate is to put a stick at the end of your lip and let it drop straight down. Your chin should also touch. If not, you may want to consider an augmentation. Before we continue, don't forget to visit our site at www.seoulguidemedical.com. Here you can find much more information on many more services we offer through our company. Send us an email for a free consultation today at seoulguidemedical@gmail.com. Before the procedure begins, Dr. Cha goes over the request just one last time.
I'm going to remove the hump at the nose. It comes from up here, so it's going to go up that way.
Okay.
This is a distinguishing part of his work, as the patient's wishes and needs always come first. Because of the fact that Dr. Cha studied in the United States, he is fluent in English and one of the few surgeons who can explain every part of the procedures in impeccable English. As they go over the design just one more time, Yulia is all set for her new life.
I had the last consultation with the doctor, and that's why my face looks like this. So we talked about what we're going to do to my nose.
During the procedure, Dr. Cha works to create the exact profile in which she has requested. Performing a variety of cosmetic procedures, he perfects them in exact harmony to give her perfect complement to the other procedures. In fact, over the course of the next few weeks while she recovered, Yulia reported no pain whatsoever. This was due to the fact that the steady hand of Dr. Cha was able to minimize disruption of the skin and gently make the necessary corrections.
I actually feel really good. I'm not feeling sick, and I'm not having any pain, aside from the, weird talking and looking funny, but other than that, I'm feeling really well.
Seoul Medical has also provided complimentary pumpkin porridge and juice which work to speed recovery time. This is Yulia back at one of her checkups. The nurses check the inside of the nostrils and administer antibiotic shots, which is an important part of the healing process. A stent is provided to keep the nose in place over the next week as the body heals. It is important not to bump the nose during this time, as it may cause serious damage. During the last checkup, the stitches and stent are removed, and Yulia is astounded by the results, though there is still some slight bruising and swelling. The other procedures have been performed in textbook fashion, and there is minimal discomfort and pain. Yulia's gratitude is visible, and her trip to Rhinoplasty surgery is one that she will never forget. If you are interested in similar procedures such as rhinoplasty, ultrasound therapy, red lifting, or injectable fillers, contact us today. Visit www.rhinoplasticsurgery.com. The incredible work of Dr. Cha is second to none, as he is one of the most widely distinguished surgeons in all Korea. If you are interested in plastic surgery, skincare, dental, vision, or other medical needs, visit our site at seoulguidemedical.com. Drop us a line at seoulguidemedical@gmail.com to set up your own consultation today. If you found this video useful, don't forget to let us know with a comment below and a big thumbs up. Be sure to share it with your friends through social media and to subscribe to our channel as we produce fresh content each week. Thanks so much for watching.